Alright boys, we are in full project mode. And I mean full project mode. Nearing the end of Project Frostbite's interior. Trunk just about done. I've got to get all new bulbs for these, so I'm not going to put the last panel, the back panel in. But real quick, we got to go in and drop this engine in the 17. So let's go knock that out. Oh yeah. Damn, Alex, you can't even tell this thing was ever hit. Jeez. Looks good. Alright, we're about to stab this motor and trans back in this bad boy. Well, that was fun. She's in. I think I'd rather put them in Foxes. Yeah. This was a freaking pain.
You know what I dropped the cave memory for him.
Yeah. But she's in.
No, we're not doing enough.
No. This was a one-time deal. I think the only time we'll buy more of these is for the engine and trans. Yeah. Car came out great. Ooh, the sun is out, but boys, let me tell you. Just something as simple as sill plates. Door panel on, speaker grill on. It's coming together. Got to wash it. Super happy with how this interior came out. Everything looks really good, fresh. It keeps getting dirty. Got to get the trans in it. Next I'm gonna put the column surrounds, all that. Tuck the harness back in the footwell there. I can get that kick panel on, that sill plate. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm loving it. I do have to get a another Jesus Christ, manual window regulator for this side. The gears are stripped out in it, so I'm not putting that door panel on yet. But I mean, overall, I could not be happier. Y'all really need to go back and look what we started with this car. Wasn't nothing here. All right, I ain't gonna lie. Me and Alex been at it since about 8 o'clock this morning. I need to take a little break. Yeah, let's go take a break. Right up. y'all forget about the Capri? Oh yeah. Trying to decide if we're going to give away the 93 GT or this car. Frostbite's first because we started it first. I'm trying to decide which one's next. Oh, you're kind of crooked there. Better. Alright, let's go. Sweet therapy. I may do the new owner a favor and disconnect that buzzer, because that buzzer will drive you absolutely freaking insane. All right, I feel better. Let's get back to work. Correct, and not broken. LX headlight switch. Always a plus. This one had a GT one in it. Don't really know why. That wasn't gonna work. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I need to bring the wheels out. I just don't want them to get all nasty, you know, with it sitting outside. Oh man, what a freaking difference just a switch makes. Telling you guys, just the little stuff. This one's good to go, so I'll go ahead and put this one in. So when I tell you guys, these builds, it's not the big stuff that eats you up. It's all the little stuff. The 50, 100, $75, $45. That was wild. It's that stuff. Look at that. My God. I freaking love it. Alright. Put some steering column covers on. She's naked right now. So I told you guys. Yeah, see. I told you guys. Working and filming is a process. You don't believe me, just ask Brutal. Not only do you have to move the camera around about a couple million times to make sure the shot looks all right, but instead of focusing on what I'm doing, I'm focusing on making the video good. That's how I screw up. Every freaking time. But you guys emailed and DM'd, said you want to see it. So here you go. Best watch. Alright guys, so I gotta say I'm pretty happy. I probably could have cut that a hair shorter. I may pull that back off and trim it. But just freaking look at it. Those are brand new window cranks. I gotta get that window regulator for this side. Then I can put the door panels on. Well, the other door panel. Gotta get bulbs. I can put that last trunk piece in. Sorry, I'm throwing shadows. So this is the felt floor that's supposed to be like factory. It's not a perfect match, but it looks good. And then I got the brand new board, which I'll put a spare tire in it, obviously. Fresh door panels. Looking good. Speaker grill is nice and tight. Trying not to throw shadows, but I mean, look, boys. This is a very nicely restored. No, it's not perfect. It's not perfect. But god dang it, I'm pretty freaking proud of it. Seats are mint. I freaking love it. All right, guys, that's pretty much gonna wrap this one up. Got to get a few parts in, and interior will be done. And as soon as I can get on the lift, we've got to get the Ghia, the 79 Ghia off the lift. I can put the trans in it, then start putting everything in the engine bay, fans, and plug everything up. Move along. Alex said I need to bring the pony R's out and put them on the car. Like I said, I don't want them to get dirty. They're fresh, beautiful. So maybe we'll do that. I don't know. But, guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please drop me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.